Hi guys, it's Tom from Two Dorks One Brush. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to paint some red Squig Skin. For this model, we'll be using three colours: Xerius Purple, Evil Sun Scarlet, and Phalanx Yellow. The idea here is to work from the darkest colour up to the lightest, and we'll break it into three simple steps: base coat, purple to red, red to yellow. First step is to base the model in Xerius Purple. I've already done this before filming because I forgot to film it. However, when you're doing your base coat, keep in mind it will take a few layers to get an opaque coverage. I don't add any extra water to my paints, but I will have a slightly damp brush. Once you've based your model, it's time to move on to the second step. The goal of this second step is to apply a transition from Xerius Purple up to Evil Sun Scarlet onto the model, resulting in a highlight of Evil Sun Scarlet in the top right corner of the Squig's muscles. To achieve this, I'll start by adding Evil Sun Scarlet and Xerius Purple onto my wet palette. From here, I will make several mixtures, adding progressively more Evil Sun Scarlet into each one. Once you have this gradient on your palette, it's just a matter of transferring it onto the miniature, working from dark to light, keeping each mixture within the previous one but not covering it entirely. Keeping in mind it will take a few layers of each mixture to get an opaque result. It's also alright to have distinct lines between the mixtures on the model at this stage. We can come back later and worry about blending at the end. Alright, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this time lapse of the red building up, and I'll be back to you with the final step. Once you've finished applying this gradient, it's time to move on to the third step, which is the exact same as the second step, apart from we'll be going from Evil Sun Scarlet all the way up to Phalanx Yellow. After you've finished the gradient from red to yellow, you can go back and work on the blends if you'd like. I'll do the blending as I'm applying the mixtures to the model, but I think if you're learning, it's easier to split it into two separate things. All right, back to the time lapse. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, I hope it was helpful. If you'd like to check out more of our work, you can catch us on Twitch or Instagram under the same name. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.